My name is Sphelele Gumede from Emalahleni. I am coming from under African Scathulo, which is based at Emalahleni as well. What motivated me to start African Scathulo is because of fashion. Mina ngumuntu othanda fashion kahle kahle. So la ila ngikhona khona ukubona kahle ukuthi okay, if kukuthi wena uthanda fashion ekaso, la ngihambisana nawe khona kaso. If uthanda fashion ekaso, la ngihambisana nawe kaso. So basically lapho ila ngibona khona ukuthi okay, if uvela ushaya African Scathulo, ilento ezokwenza ukuthi uzizwe right. African Scathulo, our products, we use raw materials such as tie, a tie for motors as a sole, which, and also we use a leather material which comes from animal skin. As you know that animal skins, they come from nature, which means our product differs from other material or other products because we use nature materials, and we're also sustainable. As I'm telling you that we use tire material which is part of recycling. You can get me from my number or also from social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and also Instagram. My handle on Facebook is @AfricanScathulo, as well on Twitter it's @AfricanScathulo, as well as on Facebook as well, which is along with Instagram is also African Scathulo. Then we also order or place orders on WhatsApp, which is my contact goes with 061 461 6518. I am Sphelele Gumede and I am a township entrepreneur.